Welcome.
Welcome, welcome,
Welcome. Welcome.
welcome, welcome, welcome.
Welcome. Welcome to Iceland. In this course, I'm taking you around all of my favorite locations in Iceland, north, south, east, and west. Iceland Exposed is a comprehensive travel and adventure photography guide based on a decade of my experience as a travel photography guide. We filmed this course over a number of different trips at different times of year, across all kinds of crazy weather, piecing together a guide that will help you plan out your ideal trip. Now, whilst it's specific to Iceland, the lessons you learn in this guide will help you in planning out all of your future photography trips. The course includes over 5 hours of 4K video shot on location, as well as a detailed ebook that you can take along that has specific GPS coordinates, creative photography tips, safety advice, and much more.
It's been an amazing experience, seeing so many different locations and sites and animals, and it's a photographer's dream to be here. So Matt is actually going to go through some of his favorite locations.
Yeah, so the whole point of this course is these are my favorites. It's not necessarily the most popular or that they're all unknown, but it's showing you different vantage points, different access, how to get unique shots in these different locations. And as we said, it's going to be useful whether you're coming specifically to Iceland or you're just going to somewhere for a photo holiday and want to think about how to get individual and unique shots at really popular and beautiful locations. This program has been designed with photographers in mind. You can view the videos ahead of time at home whilst you're planning out to see what each location has to offer, and then piece together your trip based on this information and the suggested itineraries I present in the ebook. You can download all of the videos to review in the car or in the hotel the night prior, and you can also take along the ebook to get the exact coordinates for each location, as well as extra photography tips, additional location info, as well as details of nearby amenities such as restaurants and hotels. The course is now available on pre-launch, so don't miss out. It comes with all of the content we've described here. Everything is below, but if you have any other questions, shoot me an email. There's a contact form below.